Welcome to the video. We're going to look at IEnumerators stroke coroutines. So this is just how to get a little pause in your code. So we're going to do everything in the start function, and then we're going to create a IEnumerator as well. So you can see I've got the basic code so far. So I just create a cube at the center, at the origin, using its own rotation. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this code somewhere else, actually. So we don't want it happening in start. I want it after a 5-second delay after we started. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new function, but this is a IEnumerator type. So we create an IEnumerator, and we're going to call it createCube, just like that. We're going to give it some brackets. You see the exact same as a start function, except we've called it a IEnumerator instead of a void. I can actually just make that a bit more obvious with just saying private and I can't even say it now. This is red because it doesn't quite, it has to have a return value, which is a yield return new, and we want to wait for seconds, some brackets. We're going to wait 5 seconds, and then we want to create our cube. So we've got to call this function somehow. You see it's got 0 references, so we need to actually call the code. So we're going to do that in the start function because we want this code to run exactly 5 seconds after we've hit play. So here we put start coroutine, lots of brackets, create cube, semicolon at the end. Thanks, Padlet. Go away, Padlet. So we're going to, this is how you start a IEnumerator. You run the coroutine createCube, which runs through this code. You can see we've got a reference to it now, so it has been called once. We say yield return new, wait for seconds. So this is literally just saying wait for 5 seconds, please. And this, after 5 seconds, all the code beneath this runs. So we could do, I don't know, some stuff and some things, and all of this would happen after the 5 seconds. We could also do some stuff first. So let's give an example of this. So let's do a debug.log function called. So we should see in the console, it's going to say function called, then we wait 5 seconds, then it will create the cube. Let's see that in Unity. We've got the console, function called, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boom, cube is created. Show it one more time. Function is called straight away, ignoring the Visual Studio package, and then about 5 seconds cube is created. So this is one way to slow down your code, have a pause, that kind of thing. So just to recap, you can call the function with this line here. You then create a function here. You can do some things before the timer. You then wait for however long, and then you can create the cube. So feel free to play around with this. Can be really good. Really good fun playing with these, getting some nice timings going. So yeah, thanks for watching.